just wanted to shoot a quick video about what it's like to go out to dinner by yourself when you're traveling solo. I know that that is something that I struggled with. Depending on where you're at, it can be more difficult sometimes rather than others. I know in the States, when I'm traveling, it's not as bad for me to be on my own. But particularly when I was in Italy, it got to be a little old. I would go and ask for a table and they would always say, "Oh, sola." Kind of just look at you like, what's going on? After a while, then you kind of think, "Ugh, I don't know if I want to go out to a restaurant tonight." So I wanted to give you a tip for overcoming some of those feelings and how to deal with those when you're traveling on your own. So one of the things that I do when I'm here in my own hometown is I'll go to a restaurant. It's a Friday night tonight. My friends are busy, and so I'll go to a restaurant on my own, and I'll sit at the bar and I'll just have a nice meal and a glass of wine. Maybe bring home some dessert, which I did tonight. Tiramisu in honor of Italia. It's a really interesting thing that happens when you go do that. First of all, you get out of your comfort zone, which is a good thing for all of us to get out of our comfort zone. And I sat next to this just really sweet, incredible woman tonight, and she was telling me about her husband and her son who has special needs, who's in his 20s now. She was just having a glass of wine on her own, and I sat next to her and made a new friend. You know, the bartender was just so nice. And I put my phone away, which I would encourage you to do. Put your phone away. Don't bring a book. Be present. Be there. Be where you are. And soak in the surroundings. I know it's uncomfortable at first, but if you do this a few times in your own city, it'll help you to overcome those feelings of angst and anxiety when you're traveling solo and you're going to dinner on your own. It'll feel like, oh, I've done this before. I know how to do this. And you can just maybe relax and enjoy it a bit. So I just had a delightful dinner, and I'm going to sit down and enjoy my tiramisu.